Alright, this is what I got for Christmas. In addition to some peppermint bark, Ghirardelli, and this thing, which is kind of crap, but it's cool. I think that this is interesting because it's, even though, it shows up better on the camera actually. That is not what it looks like with my eyes. But, what I like about this thing is that you can actually take this off and this comes out of it. And to me, what that says is that I can take a transparency, you know, the kind they used to use on overheads when I was a kid. My god, that just shows my age. But you can draw on it with a Sharpie and project whatever you want to. And yet this one's also loose. So while this thing kind of doesn't really work as a planetarium, it does work decently enough to project stuff on the wall. Now this is the first real Blocc kit. It's not Lego, but it's the first real Blocc kit that I've had since I was a kid, and my mom gave away my Legos without asking me, and I still hate her for that, but this, she did get me this for Christmas. She says that this was recommended to her because she was trying to buy a Lego kit, and this was recommended to her instead. I think my cousin's here, like an actual biological cousin, not the one that usually is on video. He may come down to watch YouTube, so I'm not really going to be building this right now. Cherry Blossom House. The instructions are really... I think this is like a really good brand for non-Lego Legos. I just remember this fact that Legos are actually built with nanometer tolerances in mind, which I thought was interesting. They're made of ABS, same type of plastic that used to be really common before, with 3D printing, before PLA was really popular, and now it's all sorts of nylon. I haven't been involved in the 3D printing community in a while because I'm too broke to be in 3D printing. But, seems interesting enough, but I'm not going to build this until I can record myself building this, because this seems fun. But I'm going to sit here and do it, because if I do this in my room, it will inevitably get knocked over. At least if I'm doing it here, this is kind of like a work table nowadays. Before we got that, this was a dining table, but yeah. Oh, okay, so, oh, yeah, these are individual, okay. God, oh my god, I'm so afraid of losing these tiny pieces. The instructions are very well done. I haven't used a Lego kit in a long time, but I know that this is how Legos do it, but it kind of reminds me of IKEA in a weird way. Oh, they have other kits. Oh, that's really cute. Oh wow, they have a lot of them. This is very anime, yes. I know that they have the Lego ISS, which I wanted them to make one for a really long time, and then they actually did make one, but oh god, these parts are so tiny. Oh my god. I think I have a way to do this. I have this box that has the tiny compartments in them, but good lord, those parts are tiny. That's actually, I knew they were tiny, but this is actually half the size that I thought they were. Oh my god, those are so tiny. That's so tiny. Oh my god. I think it's faceplate. Oh my god. It's that tiny. I thought it was like the size of normal Legos. It feels nice though. Oh, look, more impossibly tiny. I feel like the entire toy block community seems to be like trying to make the tiniest miniaturized versions of Lego. I'm sure there's versions of these that require like, what do you call it? A microscope to build. Electron microscope Lego set 1. No. You're on a tunneling microscope. I don't know. Electron microscopes are like the tiniest ones when I was a kid, but the box isn't that well designed though. The box art is really great though. It's holographic. Currently being forced to use the MacBook. Well, kind of. I don't know where I have to find my Chromebook, but I need the MacBook because in the process of getting all my home lab stuff done, I am kind of soft locked, and Chromebooks, I can't really use the Chromebook to do what I need to do. But maybe I can, but I don't have the time for that right now. I'm going in an alternative method. I can use this for it's a bit easier to burn some discs with it. I don't know a thing about Mac, but we'll see. Right now I'm just using it to access drive. Not drive, slides actually. But I might actually light one of those candles. I think these are scented. Pine gingerbread. I don't know how to see if these are for us, but this is actually one of the coolest gifts that I got for Christmas in a while. I like this.